Are you looking for a side hustle where you could mix creativity with little effort? I need you to get your phone, download this app, and start earning up to $700 per day. On top of that, you can earn this with no video, no referral links, a no-nonsense trick just for you. Hi, welcome to my channel where I show you tips and tricks to earn money online. All you have to do is follow a few simple steps, and me, the clever girl that will help you at every turn of your money-making journey. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and click on the notification bell to keep you updated on our new uploads. Let's get started. Making money now is easier than it's ever been in the digital age. If you own a smartphone, you might be able to start making money right at your fingertips. On this website, you may immediately begin making money with only a few clicks. FOAP. We're talking about this user-generated picture platform, which is the safest route to take on your road to financial success. This website functions similarly to other stock picture websites like Shutterstock and 123RF. And various major corporations like Heineken, Facebook, and even Nivea utilizes it to get images and videos for advertisements and other marketing materials. How it works is that they hunt for a photo they wish to utilize. It might be a picture of food, landscape, buildings, people, or animals. Anything that appeals to the audience, fits the campaign, and has the necessary attributes. FOAP allows you to snap photographs with your own smartphone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. You may capture pictures and upload them to the FOAP website, wherein you can set the price of each photo. The fact that hundreds of enormous corporations like Heineken, Nivea, Kraft Heinz, Volvo, and others partner with FOAP lends credibility to the website. Additionally, they are authorized Facebook marketing partners. The FOAP website offers a number of high-quality, high-resolution pictures that you may use right away. Additionally, you may include your own images and videos and benefit from them by sharing sales revenue with FOAP. The price pools for each FOAP photo that is sold ranges from a few dollars to $10, and that is how we intend to generate money. That's a big investment for only one image. After you submit your work, if a company chooses to use it or license it, you can start receiving royalties. Start by searching for FOAP in the Google Play Store or App Store on your Android or iOS device, then download and install the FOAP app. Go to FOAP and set up your FOAP account after installing the app. Do not register as a brand, rather register as a creative, and then click the Sign Up button. Once you've completed the registration procedure, they'll walk you through the step-by-step process of uploading your images and videos. Once your account has been set up, you're ready to begin making money. You might go to Shutterstock, a website that offers a big collection of high-quality stock pictures and films specifically for this purpose. There are the images we're looking for. However, you should be aware that you can use the same images on both FOAP and Shutterstock. You may use this to increase your chances of selling a photo and making money, since some individuals gather photographs from stock photo websites, while others use Shutterstock for high-resolution stock photos. These next steps are crucial to your passive income gig, so I hope you're still with me. Are you liking this content so far? Give this video a thumbs up and interact on the comment section for thoughts and ideas. To get started using and selling photographs on Shutterstock, go to submit.shutterstock.com and select the Get Started option. It will redirect you to a sign-up page where you must input some necessary details. Don't worry, you won't be charged with anything, and this website is available worldwide, so don't be concerned about access. If you're not a photographer or uninterested in taking photographs, I can show you the hidden website where you may obtain free high-resolution photos that you can use for free and upload them to FOAP and Shutterstock. The website I'm referring to is burst.shopify.com, which will be linked on the description box and any other websites mentioned in this video. All depends on the name. You might be asking why I'm calling this feature Burst, and the answer is because Shopify.com is overflowing with terrific video and pictures that are available for free. There are several categories to choose from, including those for animals, architecture, and nature. Additionally, using it is absolutely free. Now let's see if we can look at any category for this demonstration. Let's look at the workplace category. You may notice that many stock photos relating to the subject of office are available right here. With a simple click of a button, you may download these images instantly. Depending on your needs, you may save the images in JPEG or PNG format. You can select between high resolution and low resolution quality when downloading the pictures. However, to increase sales, I recommend using high resolution pictures. You might also take a look at PicWizard. PicWizard, like burst.shopify.com, is another free stock footage website that allows you to download high resolution videos and photos for personal or professional use. Any photo you see may be downloaded by simply clicking on it. This will take you to a page with the download option. Please responsibly take as many of the free images as you can, as downloading them would not have to cost you anything. Download the high-resolution files if you can to get better pictures. Once you've gathered all of the photos you want to upload and your Shutterstock and Fope accounts are up and running, you may proceed to upload the pictures. Simply follow the steps or seek further information if needed. Go to the Fope or Shutterstock websites on your smartphone or PC and begin uploading if you're still hesitant. You may get a sizable amount of passive income without putting in any further effort. You won't have to worry about accessibility or area exclusivity issues, because these sites are accessible from anywhere in the world. In contrast to Shutterstock, which provides PayPal, Skrill, and Pioneer as cash-out options, Fope exclusively accepts PayPal accounts as a form of payment. And with that, you can start your money-making journey now. For my #1 recommendation on how to make money on YouTube, check out the link in the description box below. If you haven't yet, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to be updated. Whenever, wherever. This is your clever money girl. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!